Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, my dear students of Kabbalah Mashiach.
I wanted to answer a question that is quite serious. Is there a replacement for suffering? That is the question. The answer is, the wisdom of the Kabbalah is what replaces suffering in life. Instead of suffering, we have a full, happy life, thanks to the study of the Kabbalah. How does that work? How does that replacement, that substitution of suffering work? The objective of coming into the world is to ascend spiritually. That is why we come into the world. But by coming into the world, we come burdened with klipot, that is, layers of animal qualities, and those layers have been inherited from other lives or acquired in this life. The Creator wants to help us by melting away those layers called klipot. And they are melted away through the path of suffering. There are many people who suffer, who ask, "What have I done to God to suffer so?" The Lord is taking away klipot so that divine light can enter. And the person says, "I don't want to suffer so much." So we have to change the currency. Is there a way to exchange the currency? The study of the Tzod, the celestial secrets and meditations of the Kabbalah, are the other currency that can replace suffering. Anyone who toils trying to decode and study the secrets of the heavens and understand how they work, and who imposes upon themselves the discipline of Kabbalistic meditation with Yehudim, that type of exertion will replace the possible suffering that is to come to clean our klipot. The study of the heavenly secrets and Kabbalistic meditations also melt away our klipot. The study of the Kabbalah raises consciousness, destroys klipot unconsciously. From the time that Kabbalah Mashiach has been disseminating these secrets with over 90 million views, the lives of its students have become much more peaceful. Many have already replaced the suffering that they had with the study of the 750 or more hour-long classes on YouTube disseminating the secrets of the heavens. It has made their lives much more peaceful. They've exchanged their suffering with fulfillment through study and meditation. On our website, KabbalahMashiach.com, in the Students' Opinions section, you can see the remarks of the hundreds of students who have already achieved that replacement. So I propose that to all of you, and that is the answer as to how to replace suffering.
A warm shalom.